From its early days, copper has been essential to human development. It played a significant role in technology, culture, and in numerous metabolic processes, and overdose of copper can impair the function of genes. It is why this element is so important to maintain a healthy balance of copper in the body. A number of medical researchers have recommended its use for treatments of a variety of diseases. This metal belongs to the group of elements known as non-ferrous. In addition to that, copper is a very adaptable material and many people consider it to be precious. As such, it has been a central part of human civilization in recent times. For instance, during the time of the Aztec civilization, copper was used for medical purposes. This included gargles for sore throats, and treatment for burns and ulcers. The earliest traces of copper were found in Mesopotamia around 4500 before the current era. The history of copper can be traced back to early human civilizations, and is found throughout the world. The first copper artifacts were created by natives, who utilized simple copper oxide ores. After the discovery of the extraction process, metallurgy was born. Several societies organized copper production at different stages of history. The ancient Egyptians also discovered the potential of the metal. It is formed by volcanic activity in sulfurous regions. These regions are known as copper ores. The Egyptians discovered that copper could be combined with tin and arsenic to produce bronze. Eventually, bronze spread to many parts of the world. Ancient Egypt, India, China, Greece, and Persia all crafted copper. Mesopotamia, Iran, and South America developed copper metallurgy around the time of the Bronze Age. In the late 18th century, discoveries by Ampere and Ohm led to a new era of copper. On the biosphere, copper has the position of being the second most expensive metal. Copper is a spontaneously occurring metal that may be found mostly in igneous and sedimentary rocks as well as in minerals. The main ore is called chalcopyrite. In nature, copper is found in malachite and cuprite. The deposits are found in Australia, Chile, and Indonesia. There are a number of different types of copper ores. The most common type of ore is chalcopyrite, which produces a concentration of about 20 to 30% copper. The other type is bornite, which is a very large rock. Another type is cupric oxide, which is an oxidizing agent. This element is black powder that can be dissolved in alkali cyanides or acids. In the early 1800s, entire cities were dedicated to mining copper. 24 companies were formed to mine mass copper deposits. Most of the world's copper was produced at these sites. One of the most interesting aspects of the American West is its surprisingly rich deposits of copper. As a result, mining costs have plummeted to about $35 per ton of rock. And the state of Arkansas is a particularly enticing place to find ore bodies. Copper has several beneficial characteristics, including high tensile strength and excellent conductivity. This element is a reddish metal. It is a moderately noble metal. Copper's ductility makes it ideal for shaping and extrusion. This element is a ductile metal with high tensile strength. Copper is also known for its acceptable corrosion resistance. It is easy to weld. This element is also a natural antibacterial agent. Its ability to kill bacteria is based on its oxidation behavior. When burned, it reacts with oxygen and produces black smoke. Because of its low reactivity, it does not corrode easily in oxidizing or non-oxidizing solutions. Copper is characterized by a crystalline structure that is face-centered cubic. Copper in its purest form has a color that ranges from reddish-orange to orange-red. If exposed to bright light, it turns a pinkish color. It has natural antibacterial properties. Copper can kill bacteria such as E. coli, Clostridium difficile, and adenovirus. Copper has a long history of being used by humans. In fact, the earliest known uses of the metal were for jewelry and ornaments. In complement to its usage as a tool, the metals was also put to use throughout the production of many kinds of weaponry. It was also used for smelting, which led to the Bronze Age. During this time, copper was alloyed with other metals to produce a hard metal. The Bronze Age lasted from about 4000 to 3000 before Christ. Copper is a metal that is used in a variety of ways, including as a catalyst for oxidizing chemicals, in electrical contacts, as a heat conductor, in air conditioning tubing, and in many types of plumbing. It is also used to make alloys, such as bronze and nickel-silver, which are stronger and more durable than pure copper. Copper has many uses and is widely used in different fields. Copper is an essential metal for industrial applications. It has a lengthy history of use in the decorative art sector. It has also been used for tools. Early humans made weapons and tools from copper. Copper is a very important metal that plays a crucial role in the electrical and renewable energy industry. Its properties make it ideal for a variety of applications. These include electronics, industrial machinery, and other building materials. As a direct consequence of this, it may be found in a wide range of items and accessories. Copper is ideal for roofing, as well as for pipes in water filtration systems.